Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new coffee talk video. Today is Sunday and it literally feels like a lazy Sunday. It was all week, it was like gorgeous weather, and just look at this right now. It is so rainy today and like so cold. It's just like this kind of weather. Do you ever wake up in the morning like I had this morning and you're just like bleh, like you don't want to do anything even though there's a lot of stuff to do, and you just like can't really motivate yourself. Like I'm wearing my sport leggings and there's no way that I'm gonna go to the gym today. I don't know. I always know what I want to have for breakfast, and this morning I woke up and I was just like, I don't know what I want to eat, I don't know what I want to do. But on the other side, like it is a nice nice day, nice moment to just like kind of allow myself to do nothing and to be a little bit lazy, which is actually very nice as well. It's been actually a while that I filmed a coffee talk video and that I kind of like updated you guys with everything. So yeah, let's start first with making a little warm drink. Lately I actually start drinking a little bit less coffee because I was drinking like 4-5 cups a day, and I switched over to matcha, and this has been like my latest obsession. So yeah, every time I walk by a matcha bar I would get a cup a matcha, and at one point I was just like, oh my god, like every time I waste a cup, every time I waste like, I don't know, how much is it, $6-8? It is ridiculous. So I decided to try to make it myself, and it actually turns out really well. So over the last like 2 weeks, every day I kind of made my own like matcha latte. So yeah, I will show you guys how I do that. So I'm going to start here. I have the green matcha, and here I have this little thingy to make the matcha. I need a bowl, so some hot water. So kind of funny story, the first time I bought like the matcha, I literally just had matcha and I poured like hot water with it, and I was like, I don't need this fancy thing. It's not working. You do need this thing. It was not very delicious. I don't know, it just like doesn't dissolve as well in the water. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make this matcha. I like to have an in-between a matcha and a matcha latte. Like a matcha latte is just a tiny bit of matcha with a lot of milk, and a matcha obviously is just like a matcha powder with hot water, and I just kind of like it in between. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys quickly.
First thing I'm going to do is put a little scoop of pure matcha powder into a bowl. The quality of the matcha actually really matters for the taste you're gonna get. After that, I'm adding a little bit of hot water and mix it using a bamboo whisk until it's frothy. This really helps dissolve the powder into the water. Then I'm adding this to a cup of tea, and I'm adding extra hot water. I like to add a little milk as well, so I'm frothing some oat milk in this Nespresso frother. When it's really foamy, I add this to the matcha and it's ready.
Ta-da! And here my matcha is ready. So it was actually really funny because while I was filming that, I was bending over, I saw I was wearing like a sushi sweater, a little Japanese sweater with Japanese green tea, because matcha comes from Japan. That's actually one of my, also still on like my bucket list, because I really want to go back to Japan and I really want to see the cherry blossom, and I just want to go to like the places where actually the matcha comes from. So yeah, maybe this year. But I recently got really into matcha, so yeah, I would love to go there. Besides that, matcha is actually like super tasty. It also has like amazing health benefits, because one matcha green tea has 10 times more antioxidants than a normal brewed green tea, which is crazy. Imagine just drinking 10 cups of tea for just like this one. And also it really like stimulates your metabolism, and it like boosts your energy. So I'm into it. I'm very much into it. So yeah, what else is new? I'm actually super excited because Coachella, and for the people who don't know what is Coachella, it's like a big festival in the desert, Palm Springs, and it's every year around April, and I'm gonna go this year, so I'm super stoked about that. I've been there twice, but not last year, and yeah, I'm really excited, because you guys probably still remember my trainer Steven from the P-Volve program. So we're gonna go with Steven and his wife Rachel, and yeah, we just have a fun little group, and we're gonna like work out, we're gonna go to the festival, we're just gonna, yeah, enjoy, listen to music. I actually am a huge like festival fan, because in Holland there are always like a lot of festivals going on in summer. I also went to Itzigat in Budapest a couple years ago, and I have to say I kind of enjoy also if you're like camping and you're just like not showering for 3 days, like nothing really matters, you can be dirty and whatever. And also something what I really like about festivals is kind of like dressing up a little bit, just like wearing all like fun stuff. And I kind of started like online shopping today a little bit, just like for some inspiration. I was looking on like Pinterest. I opened up like a package with like some cute dresses and stuff, and also looking for like some cute little brands with like cute hippie bohemian festival stuff, because then nobody really wears it, right? You're kind of like original. And I kind of wanted to ask you guys as well if you have like any brands or like clothing you like really love and you would think is like perfect for like a festival outfit, or if you have like some cool like hair inspiration, whatever, then please let me know in the comments below, because I can definitely use it. I just actually want to show you guys quickly. I haven't really tried it on yet. So I got this in the mail. This is like a cute little dress from Lovers and Friends from Revolve. Really cute. And here I got this skirt from Realization. These are all like Realization stuff. This is like super summery, like festival kind of things. You know what? I'm just gonna try these on quickly, and you guys can help me decide if I should wear one of these on my Coachella trip. So these are like a couple of like dresses and tops I got recently, and because of the weather I couldn't wear them. I would love to hear from you guys which one was your favorite, and if I should wear one of these to the Coachella weekend. Yeah, and I still want to know like other little stores or tips for like kind of really bohemian kind of stuff. Yeah, it's funny, I actually got a new rule in my wardrobe. So every piece what comes in, so for example, if I get this new green dress, I have to get rid of something. And so far, I started January 1st, it is actually kind of working. So every time if I buy something, if I get something, I go through my closet, I look for a piece I haven't worn in ages, I put it in a bag, and so once in a while I donate the bag. And it's kind of sustainable because you're reusing clothes and you give clothes away to a good cause. So if you want to manage your wardrobe, that is a really good that's a really good tip. I think today I'm just going to stay on this bed all day. It is one of those days. And yeah, I'm going to prep a little bit for the rest of the week. I think I'm just gonna do like some meal prep, gonna clean the apartment. I'm gonna be a real housewifey today. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, just having a little chit chat with me. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, put your notifications on. Oh, I'm wearing 2 different socks. Always. Then, where was I in my story? I always end with this like little the same little outro, but I got completely distracted by my socks. You know what? I'm just gonna end here. I will see you guys in the next video.